Hello friends! Is your car's steering suddenly feeling stiff, and you're seeing the trouble code P0635? This code means power steering control circuit malfunction. And if ignored, it can lead to hard steering, safety risks, or even a complete loss of power steering. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0635 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0635? The P0635 code stands for Power Steering Control Circuit Malfunction. This means there's an electrical issue in the power steering system, affecting the power steering control module or related wiring. If not fixed, it can cause heavy steering, unexpected power loss, and increased risk of accidents. Common symptoms of P0635: check engine light on steering feels heavy or stiff. Power steering warning light on unusual whining or groaning noises from the steering system. Complete loss of power steering assist. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0635, check these critical components. Power steering control module, PSCM. Location, usually mounted near the steering column, inside the dashboard, or near the power steering pump. Function, controls the electronic power steering system, power steering pump, for hydraulic systems. Location, near the engine, driven by a belt. Function, provides hydraulic pressure to assist with steering. Power steering pressure sensor, PSP sensor. Location, on the power steering hose close to the pump. Function, monitors steering pressure and adjusts assist accordingly. Wiring and connectors, steering circuit. Location, between the PSCM, battery, and steering components. Function, ensures proper electrical communication. Tip, if you have electric power steering, EPS, the problem is usually in the PSCM or wiring rather than a hydraulic pump. Common causes of P0635: faulty power steering control module, PSCM. Internal failures can disrupt steering control. Damaged power steering pump, hydraulic systems only. A worn-out pump can trigger the code. Faulty power steering pressure sensor, PSP sensor. Incorrect pressure readings can lead to malfunctions. Broken or corroded wiring in the power steering circuit, loose or damaged connections can cause signal loss. Low power steering fluid, for hydraulic systems. If the fluid is too low, the system might fail. How to fix P0635. Step 1. Check the power steering fluid level. If low, top it up with the correct type. Step 2. Inspect the PSCM for faults. If it's unresponsive, it may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 3. Test the power steering pump if applicable. If it's failing, replace it. Step 4. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or broken wires. Step 5. Check for blown fuses related to the power steering circuit. Step 6. Use a scan tool to reset the code. If the issue persists, deeper diagnosis is needed. Ignoring P0635 can lead to steering failure, safety hazards, and expensive repairs. Fixing this issue ensures smooth and safe driving. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0524, engine oil pressure. Too low, P0525, idle air control circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.